How do I update my Renault Media Nav maps? To update the maps on your Renault Media Nav system, you can follow these general steps. 1. Visit the official Renault website for your country or region. 2. Look for the Support or Customer Support section on the website. 3. Find the Media Nav support page. 4. Locate the Map Update section on the Media Nav support page. 5. Select your Renault vehicle model and Media Nav version. 6. Download the latest map update file to your computer. 7. Format a USB drive to FAT32 or NTFS file system. 8. Copy the update files to the root directory of the USB drive. 9. Safely remove the USB drive from your computer. 10. Turn on your Renault vehicle and insert the USB drive into the Media Nav USB port. 11. Follow the on-screen instructions on the Media Nav system. 12. Initiate the map update process. 13. Wait for the update to complete, which may take some time. 14. If prompted, restart the Media Nav system. 15. Ensure that the new maps are loaded and functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.